Hello, Paul again here from EMD. This is the actual Porsche Cayenne. We're working on a door lock. I've got another video I'm going to show on the computer, but what happened is you can lock the car, but you can't, but the rear right hand side door can always open because the lock is faulty on this side here. So we got a second hand lock which is already installed, and that's the old lock here, and that's, we have to take the door frame off the door completely off so you can take the actual, so you can do the job on this car here. Alright, so I'm going to show you the actual previous video. Okay, so now we can open it. That's the rear left hand side. Lock it. Can't open it. Go to the other side. Still open. So faulty door lock. So now we're going to test this. So we're going to lock it. That's locked. Let's go to the other side. Can't open it. Now I'm gonna unlock. That one works. And now I can open the door. Okay, so you can see the door is locked in the lock position. So we're going to lock the car. That's locked. Now we're going to unlock, and then now, so you can see the door, I can open the door from here, and then the door lock will open. See that? That opened. That door lock just opened. So now we can open the door. So now we're going to put everything back together because everything's working now. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.